इंसिडेंट रिपोर्ट हुआ था जिसमें हमने अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर की एक एफआईआर रजिस्टर की थी। उसमें अभी तक 25 अरेस्ट हमने किए थे। उसमें से अभी 3 जो हमारे मेन एक्यूज थे वो आज सरेंडर किया है, तो उनकी अरेस्ट फॉर्मेलिटीज़ के लिए हम उनको भेज रहे हैं। ठीक
सर, इनका नाम क्या है? कौन कौन अभी अरेस्ट हुए?
वैली, अमोक और प्रकाश। ठीक है।
Only surrender them for investigating purpose. As far as arrest is concerned or whatsoever, will be depending upon the investigating authority.
पण याची खंयची केसी जाय आसलो?
With regards to the Mongol shooting incident, the 12th of August 2025.
सो इतले दीस खंय रावलेले?
No, we were at home only. Based on the notices that were served upon us and our family, we have come today to join the investigation.
Police were not able to find them.
We were at home. Why police could not find them? That is up to them.
Amok has filed anticipatory, it
Yes,
was
yes.
rejected.
We had, exactly. So we are before the court, no? So we have done our duty and we have exhausted our options that were given to us. And now we have joined investigation.
पण आता ते फक्त येवन सरेंडर जाले.
So we have only joined investigation. There is no surrender whatsoever. We have joined investigation. It depends upon them what action they take.
त्यांची नावं किती तर?
Amok Naik, Veli Costa and Prakash.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.